What's up, Savannah Oaks Middle School 8th graders? It's me, Mr. Harris, and today I'm in my house about to do a science experiment and I'm going to videotape it. Alright, check out this stuff. So I've got this problem outside where I have dandelions everywhere. I hate dandelions. They're one of the hardest weeds to kill. And I've heard of different methods for killing dandelions, 3 that I want to test today. One is the vinegar and dish soap method. So I mixed a tablespoon of this and a whole one of these inside this garden sprayer. All right, this is about $2, and a tablespoon of this is probably about 10 cents. Then I have this product from Ortho Weed Be Gone. I have no idea what the chemical composition of this is, but it's quite expensive and it's supposed to be really good at killing dandelions. I have my doubts though. Then, in this Pyrex container, measuring cup, I have a cup of boiling water, or at least it was boiling. I'm gonna reboil it before I use it. Then I have these paint sticks that I wrote on. Miss Harris, could you please get a shot of these? So I'm gonna mark each dandelion after I treat it with the paint stick. So one I'm going to treat with vinegar, one I'm going to treat with Ortho, one I'm going to treat with the boiling water, and then one I'm not going to do anything to it at all. I'm just going to put this in there. That's going to be called the control dandelion. All right, why don't you stop? All right, what's up, Savannah Oaks Middle School again? All right, I'm out in my garden now. I've got my 4 dandelions. Miss Harris, would you mind showing the dandelions? So I've got one. So here's my control dandelion. I don't know if you can see it. This is the dandelion that's going to get the Ortho. This is the one that's going to get the boiling water. And of course, this is the one that's going to get the vinegar. All right, I'm going to pour the boiling water on now. Hold on a second, Ned. Be cool, man. All right, here's the boiling water. See if that does anything. Now, I've got the Ortho. Turn this on. Okay, I'm going to spray it for 5 seconds like you're supposed to on the leaves. 1, 2, 3. That was about 5. Alright, cool.
Yeah, those are actually daisies,
black-eyed
buddy.
Susans.
Oh, black-eyed Susans. Alright.
Alright, and now I've got the vinegar. I'm going to do the vinegar on this one. About 5 minutes. All right, now, if I was a viewer, I would take an opportunity to look at these dandelions and see if there's any obvious differences between them in size or anything else that could throw off the experiment. So just take a look, see where they're placed. Control one maybe has a bit more shade. All right, we're gonna come back in a couple hours and see what it looks like.
All right. Uh-oh, your tummy hurts?
All right, it's a couple hours later and I'm out here looking at these weeds to see if anything happened to them. The Ortho one, no. Control one's looking good. The boiling water one, it looks kind of flat, but maybe it was flat before. And then the vinegar one, it's funny, the vinegar one seems to have a little bit of wilting right there. Otherwise, looks pretty good. Hey, Savannah Oaks Middle School 8th graders, it's me, Mr. Harris. Dude, I'm trying to make a video.
Hold on, Ned.
I love you and everything, but all right, it's the next morning. Hi, Ned. It's the next morning, and I haven't checked on the results of the experiment yet, but I'm here with my friend Delilah. Delilah is a baby scientist, and she and I are going to talk and make a prediction about what's going on. Here, your thumb is... So Delilah, which method do you think is going to work best for killing the weeds? The Ortho, the expensive stuff, the commercial stuff, the vinegar, or the boiling water? The Ortho? All right. You have a lot of confidence in like our large chemical manufacturers. Oh, that's it? Yes. Because it's stuff that's made for that purpose. Okay. Makes sense. I mean, if you're going to pay all that money, going to be made by this big company, it better be effective on killing a dandelion, right? I mean, it's got a picture of a dandelion on the bottle. On the other hand, I think the vinegar is going to work well. That stuff is like toxic. It burns. Like it would gets in your eyes, you know, like, I think that's going to work well. The boiling water, Ned, do you think the boiling water is going to work to kill that, the weed that I poured it on? You think the boiling water is going to be the most effective? Okay, cool. All right, well, let's go outside and see. What's up, Savannah Oaks Middle School, 8th graders? It's day 2, the evening of day 2. Whoa, look at that bird. It's pretty cool. Evening of day 2, and I'm out here at the weed experiment zone. Let's see. So, the ortho one is looking kind of messed up. It's looking pretty jacked, but at the same time, look at this stuff here, like that's new. So, I mean, how is it dying and growing at the same time? The vinegar one looks pretty bad. It looks like it's got little burns all over it. But at the same time, ooh, it's got some new growth too. The boiling water one seems okay. I can't tell. The root is still rooted quite well in there. And then our control weed, looking quite healthy, if a little bit skinny. All right, thank you. What's up, Savannah Oaks Middle School 8th grade science students? It's me, Mr. Harris, and this is day 3 of my experiments with the dandelions in front of my house. All right, we've got our 3 here. All right, let's look at vinegar. Yeah, vinegar, all right, it's got some, I mean, it doesn't look healthy. I don't know. It doesn't have new growth. Okay, well, here's boiling water. I'd say this guy looks dead. And here's ortho. Ooh, this actually looks like it's in quite bad shape. I'll get this thing out of there. All right, and then our control weed. Yep, looking good, control weed. All right. At this point, it seems that all 3 methods that we've used are equally as effective. So we'll keep monitoring it. Yo, what's up, Savannah Oaks Middle School? It's me, Mr. Harris. My wife is inside giving the kids a bath, so she's not going to be helping me. This is the last video I'm going to make regarding this experiment. So check it out. First of all, look at this garden. Look how nice that is. That is beautiful. It's very nice. There's a birch tree over there. This is only like 20% of the whole thing. I'm going to put like a big elderberry bush right there. It's going to look nice. All right, but anyway, let's look at these weeds. All right, so, well, yeah, that's the one I did vinegar on. It looks messed up, I guess. Okay. Now, that's the boiling water one. It's dead. It is definitely dead. There's the ortho one. I can't tell if it's dead or not. And then here's the control weed. As you can see, it's doing quite well. But then there's this dude over here. I mean, that's, wait, where'd it go? Look at that. Brand new. Just sprung right up. I have to kill that, I guess, with boiling water.